In this video, you'll learn how to buy Bitcoin on Binance. This process will guide you step by step through the necessary actions to successfully complete your purchase of Bitcoin using the Binance platform. Begin by navigating to the Binance website, open your preferred web browser and enter the Binance URL in the address bar. Once the page loads, you will see the Binance homepage, which features various options for trading and purchasing cryptocurrencies. Next, locate the button labeled Buy Crypto on the homepage. This option can typically be found near the top of the page. Clicking on this button will lead you to the crypto purchasing interface, where you can select the type of transaction you want to perform. After that, you will see a list of cryptocurrencies available for purchase. Click on the option that states buy 0G with pounds. This selection allows you to specify that you want to buy Bitcoin with British pounds, which is an important step in the currency selection process. Once you have selected buy 0G with pounds, you will be prompted to indicate the amount you wish to spend. Click on the button labeled Spend to proceed. This action will allow you to enter the amount in pounds that you are willing to invest in Bitcoin. Following this, click on the currency option that shows GBP to confirm your spending currency. This step ensures that you are purchasing Bitcoin with the correct fiat currency, which is crucial for completing the transaction accurately. Now, click on Buy 0G with pounds again to initiate the purchasing process. After this action, a confirmation screen will appear displaying the details of your transaction and the amount of Bitcoin you will receive based on the current market rate. Next, click on the Receive button to review the Bitcoin address where your purchased cryptocurrency will be sent. This confirmation is necessary to ensure that you have entered the correct wallet address for the transaction. You will need to click on Receive once more to finalize your selection. This action will help you verify the details of your Bitcoin transaction before proceeding. After that, click on 0G to select the specific cryptocurrency you wish to buy, which in this case is Bitcoin. This selection will direct you to the Bitcoin purchasing interface. Next, type in BTC in the search bar to easily locate Bitcoin among the listed cryptocurrencies. This search function streamlines the process of finding the specific asset you wish to purchase. Click on the option for Bitcoin that appears in the search results. This action will take you to the Bitcoin transaction page, where you will need to specify the amount you wish to buy. Type in the exact amount of Bitcoin you want to purchase in the designated field. This step is critical as it determines how much Bitcoin will be added to your account following the transaction. Finally, click on the button labeled Buy to complete your purchase. After this action, a confirmation window will appear summarizing your transaction details. Ensure that all information is correct before finalizing the purchase. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.